Chef Marcus for West Elm, and today we're cooking roasted chicken with carrots, crispy Brussels, and a Berbere orange glaze. Beautiful chicken right here. We're gonna marinate it for at least 45 minutes. And what do you put in the marinade? Cilantro, garlic, ginger, olive oil, bell peppers, and shallots. And when you have a great marinade like this, save some because I'm gonna finish our whole chicken recipe with this. A little bit of salt, rub this in. So I have my glaze here, bunch of orange juice, orange zest, honey, garlic, and soy. And then Berbere, my favorite spice blend, comes from Ethiopia. I am slightly biased. With this, we're gonna have fantastic sides, rainbow carrots, pumpkin seeds, and Brussels sprouts that we have roasted. I'm gonna bring this to a boil. My glaze is ready. And I'm just gonna drizzle it on top of this so it makes it super crispy. This is about 3.5 to 4 pound chicken. I would say 425 degrees for at least 40 minutes. And then you wanna let it sit and rest for a good 20 minutes. Chicken needs to rest. It's hot, look at that. I'm just gonna put carrots on the plate. We're actually gonna use the marinade as a sauce as well. This herb roasted chicken with Berbere glaze, carrots, and these crispy Brussels. Enjoy.